to wet it straight. You know, everything have to be lined up to move. So this is why I make that quick video, guys, to show you what I'm done on it, and when I'm done, how this car gonna come out. As you can see, I already put the rims, tires, just like that. The inner skin that holding me for 2 months. Then I'll go ahead and put that on tomorrow. I have the hood already. The hood already put on already. I have to sand it down and buff it. So stay tuned, guys. 2021 Jeep Gladiator, guys, burgundy. That's the first time I have that color. I have another one, diesel, which is 2022 diesel. I'm gonna work on. Stay tuned, guys. I hook it up right there on that hole, and I put it here, and I warm it up. And every time I'm done warming up, I pull the chain so that I can get it straight out. So, guys, one thing I would like to tell you regarding this piece over here, which is the inner box that I ordered. It's been like 2 months that I'm waiting for this part, and there's nowhere to find it. And trust me, guys, if you buy this car, you have that problems, you're gonna have to it's depending where you are. Like there was one in like in Georgia. They said that it's not available for shop, I heard, and I got 3 from Ohio, which is they say that they cannot ship it down here. And finally today they told me that the parts is here after 2 months, guys. So if we buy this car, we have that inner. The outer is okay, but the inner parts for the bed, forget it, guys. You're gonna have to wait at least 1 month or 2 months. So I'm warming up this one. I'm gonna go get it tomorrow. I'm trying to make everything straight up, so tomorrow when it comes, I can just go ahead and start put it in. As you can see, I removed the whole side of the trunk of the bed, so I removed them. So now I'm just gonna finish straight everything up, and after that I can go ahead and grind in it and spray it, so get ready for the inner. Okay, so this is my torch, already warming up, as you can see here. So let's get into it, guys. Hood fiberglass, guys. Going to paint this thing burgundy. And first thing I do, I sand it down with 320. I clean it up. Now I'm gonna spray primer on it. So after the primer, I sand it down with 600. And after that, I'm going to spray the paint on it. All right, guys, stay with me. I'll show you before and after with that hood 2022 Jeep Gladiator. Change the whole side of the driver's side, guys. The bed, as we can see here, this is the passenger side, and this is the driver's side that I work on. Before and after, guys. Before and after. The jack is in the back on top of that spare, and he has another spare on the bottom too. So as always, guys, Thank you for watching. Thank you for share. Thank you for like. Like I always say, guys, when I start, I'll show you how the car look like, and when I'm done, I'll show you how my work gonna come out. So like I said, before and after.